We provide the whole package for our clients.
Becky and I have been able to develop the Bascuas team.
Basically, you're getting 2 agents to work for you instead of just 1.
She's the leader in the process and of taking the calls, listening to what our clients need.
I really care about my customers' needs, and that's what I put first. That's my priority when I do real estate.
I'm a little bit old school when it comes to real estate. To me, it's an opportunity to put families in homes where they can create memories for a lifetime. It's an opportunity to put investors onto real estate for them to achieve the wealth that they're looking to achieve.
The house we recently sold here in the neighborhood, we sold for some friends, and we actually sold the house to other friends of ours. Most of our clients are friends and family, and if not, they're referrals from friends and families. We're trustworthy, we're knowledgeable, and we're professional. We go above and beyond the expectations that our clients have.
And together, we're able to excel and create the successful formula that we have for over 10 years. We are the Bascuas team.
And we'll help you find your spot.